Hello, good morning students. How are you all? So in this new session 2020, will in class 8, your first chapter is named as rational number. So in this content, as you all can see, so first one we will be discussing about some prior knowledge. So prior knowledge means about number system. In previous classes what we have already discussed. Then rational number, definition of rational number, its examples, then the properties of the numbers like your commutative property, associative property, distributed property, closure property, all these things we will be discussing. Then all the other concepts we will be discussing on in this particular thing. Now in prior knowledge, the first thing is brief knowledge of the fraction, that is fraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So as we all know that a fraction is a part of a whole, so it can be written in the form of numerator by denominator. So in fraction, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all these things we are discussing from class 5, 6 and 7. Then we'll be discussing knowing how to find the LCM, that is lowest common multiple and highest common factor HCF of any two numbers. Then all these things is your prior knowledge. You must be having all this information, all these concepts clear before going through the chapter rational number. Now when we are coming to your number system, so basically in our number system, as you can all see that in this round box, the first one, the middle one is your natural number. So natural numbers are the set of numbers or the group of numbers that starts from 1 to positive infinite. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to infinite. All these positive numbers are known as natural numbers, and the symbol of natural number is capital N. And in natural number, in the set of natural number, there is no place for any fractional number, any negative number, or any decimal number. So this is very important. That means natural numbers will not be having any negative number, any fractional number, or any decimal number in that particular group. Now coming to whole number, so as you all can see that natural number, and here it is shown that 0. When natural number along with 0 is added in a group, then we are getting the group of whole numbers, and the symbol of whole number is W. Okay. Now after that, all these natural numbers, or we can say that the whole numbers, starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinite, all the numbers are known as whole numbers. But if you imagine a number line in which you can see 0 is written in the middle, right hand side 1 2 3 4 up to right hand side. Similarly, if you imagine negative numbers like up back side of 0, left side of 0, that is -1, -2, -3, -4 up to minus infinite. So all these numbers, that mean, are known as integers. So the symbol of integers is Z. And if we will be trying to define the definition of integer, then we can say that the set of all positive natural numbers, negative natural numbers along with 0 is known as integers. What? The set of all positive natural numbers, negative natural numbers along with 0. And these are having a symbol, integers are having a symbol, that is capital Z. Now after these integers, we are coming to another group of numbers in our number system, that is rational number. So we all know that rational number means what? So as you all can see that here it is written -9/2, 7.12 bar, 11.23, 3/4. So in this chapter we will be discussing about all the concepts related to rational number. Now coming to rational numbers definition, as we all can see that here, first I will read this what is written here, then I will make you understand about this definition. The number which can be written in the form of p by q, where p, q are integers and q is not equals to 0. So that means what? Any number, if I am saying a number 2/3 or 3/2, so it can be written in the form of numerator by denominator. One number will be in numerator and one number will be in denominator, and the denominator number, that must not be 0. If it will be 0, then we cannot find the value of that particular rational number. So any number which can be written in the form of p by q, where p, q are integers and q is not equal to 0, is the definition of a rational number. And in this particular thing, all the integers are rational number. That means what? As you can see that in this Venn diagram, you can see that in the large circle of rational numbers, you are having another circle of integers. So we can say that all the integers are rational numbers. Rational numbers are represented by the symbol q, and some examples of rational numbers are 5 by 3, 13 by minus 8, minus 5 by minus 8 by 19. All these are okay. So if one thing is important, if in this form of p by q, q will be equal to 0, if q will be equal to 0, then any number, we can say that 3 by 0. So 3 by 0 is not defined. We cannot find the value of any number in which the denominator will be 0. So in rational number definition, one thing is important, your denominator must not be 0. So we can say that there are some positive rational numbers, some negative rational numbers. So positive rational numbers means what? Both the numerator and the denominator are having positive sign, or both are having same sign. Negative rational number means what? Either numerator or denominator will be having a negative sign. Any one, either numerator or denominator. Like example, minus 2 by 3. 5 by minus 7, all these are negative rational numbers. Positive rational numbers, 2 by 3, 7 by 9, 15 by 27, all these. So after this we will be discussing about all the properties of rational numbers in our next video. Okay, thank you.